Deleting emails on your iPhone is super easy, and there are actually a few different ways to do it, depending on what you need. Let's start with the fastest method. Open the Mail app and go to your inbox. If you want to delete a single email, just swipe left on it. You'll see a trash icon, tap it, or swipe all the way to instantly remove the email. Now, quick tip. On some iPhones, this swipe might say Archive instead of Delete. If that happens, I'll show you how to change it in a second. Next, if you want to delete multiple emails at once, tap Edit at the top right. Now select all the emails you want to remove. Or tap Select All at the top. Then tap Trash at the bottom. All selected emails will be moved to the trash. Now keep in mind, they're not permanently deleted yet. Most email services automatically remove them after around 30 days, or you can delete them manually from the trash folder. Now let's fix the swipe action so it deletes instead of archives. Go to Settings, scroll down and tap Mail. Then tap Accounts and select your email account. Go to Account Settings, then tap Advanced. Under Discarded Messages, change it from Archive Mailbox to Deleted Mailbox. Make sure to tap Done to save. Now when you swipe left on emails, they'll go straight to trash. And that's it. Those are the easiest ways to delete emails on your iPhone.